This is a demonstration of how to flop 2D points with the equalizer transform 2D tracks. So here we've got a good track on the plate, and what we're going to do is that we're going to bring in our flopped plate, and notice now all of these points are not working. So of course we could use Tracksperanto, and we would go here to flip all the points horizontally, but equalizer will do it internally as well. So we select all of our points with a flopped plate, transform 2D tracks, so here are the default values, and so the first thing you do is you put a -1 for the X, and we do this here. So that worked. The only thing is the origin in equalizer is a lower left hand corner, and I did a mirror image and it's too far to the left there. So now we can do it in a two-step process. Now we have to go to the default value there, and we'll put in 1280 for the X, and it's 1280 because this is a 1280 wide plate. So we apply, and now it's working perfectly. Or if we want to do it all in one step, we can do that. It's when you're learning how to do it, it's usually better to do as this two-step process so that you can follow the arithmetic a little bit better. So in equalizer, if you're just doing from 2K to 4K or 4K to 2K, you don't have to do this process at all because equalizer will automatically do the conversions. The reason for that is that internally equalizer is always normalized, which means this is 0, 0 and this is 1, 1. It's not actually in pixels. It's not 0, 0 here and 1280 by 1080 here. The only time you get those conversion problems is if you actually try to export, because when you export 2D tracks, the equalizer file is actually in pixels, and if you try to go to another package like pftrack, it will not be normalized, so you can have issues. Also, if you've got asymmetrical crops, you're cropping off the top and bottom, then all the math here becomes more complicated, but this is the basic procedure.